one, we don't use the liquid one because it just oozes out.
Yeah.
What you use the liquid one on for is, say like you polish this and just to give it a coat.
Ooh.
That's just to fill in all the little holes. It's a liquid one.
Okay.
It's like a coating, but we hardly use that. One's transparent, which is what I like to use because it kind of hides everything. There is a gold one that's for outside, and that one's more yellowish. So the difference of the base, you kind of have to keep that in mind when you're choosing your colors to mix it. You know, because this one's white, so it gets the color really easily. The yellow one, you kind of have to add more color to get the tint. You know what I mean?
To combat the other one's actually yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then once it dries a little bit different. So you kind of have to like envision that as well. It's not too much, but just a little bit. The way that I normally choose colors, what colors do you see in there?
Reddish brown.
Three colors, right?
Brown.
Yeah, tan, brown,
Brown
red,
black,
Red.
kind of.
Okay.
White.
Purple.
Red.
And yellow.
What I like to do is I pick out three colors. So the more distinctive ones is red. There's a little bit of gray in there and some white. So I have red brown. It's brownish, so I'm gonna use red brown. I don't need brown. White and a little bit of gray. Huh? Normally wear gloves when you're doing this because this shit gets a little sticky.
Let me get the. Oh, there's the acid.
So these are just dyes
Yeah.
specifically for epoxy, or?
Yes, specifically for this one's superior. It's for resin coloring paste. And you just kind of got to play with it. But I like to pick three colors. Like if you know that it's all solid, you can only just pick one. I mean, it doesn't really matter. But the key is to make it as close to the color and as transparent at the same time, so that when you laminate it, it doesn't stick out. So I just do a dot. I'll start with the white. I'll put a dot of the gray, a dot of the brown.
Doesn't take much. Does it?
It does not take much.
Ooh, look at that red.
Yeah.
So that is obviously the not the right color, but I'll add a little bit of gray to it. Yes, so this is just the three colors that I saw in there. So
Está feo.
it doesn't match, right? So
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Ya no tiene solución aquella?
esta
Cómetela.
la voy a usar poquito, porque
Oh.
son los tres colores que tiene,
Okay.
pero nomás le eché mucho rojo.
Okay.
So ya ahora le agrego poquito más.
Maybe it needs brown though.
I think it needs a little bit of yellow because it's not as. So I'm gonna use this stuff called okra.
Ochre.
Is it okra? Okra?
Ochre.
Burger.
Baby go.
Oy, mamá.
¿Qué digo? ¿Qué digo?
From what language? Yeah.
You guys.
Tío.
From Mexico. From everybody. Solos.
Or we say Spanish, French, like, I don't know. That age can be doing so many different things right now.
Alright.
Anywho. Okay, so I added a little bit of yellow, I added a little bit of brown because I didn't like the way it turned out.
Oh.
This one kind of looks, maybe, you can just kind of test
Ooh,
it
yeah.
right there. It's kind of goldish. Might need a little bit more.
Play with it a little bit more.
So I just add a little bit more transparent if I want to make it lighter.
Yep.
So that's why you do a little bit of color, and then you can either make it lighter by adding more of the just the base.
Always start low.
Yeah, you don't want to make a big pile of color because then if it doesn't turn out right, then you're fucked.
Wasted a bunch of material. Yeah. Stuff's expensive, huh?
Oh, I see them.
That is the color But you see how it's not uniform?
Yeah.
So you
it's
can't
gonna,
choose
you're
the
gonna
darker
see it.
one.
You're gonna-
Lighter is
yeah,
always better. Because if you do the darker one and it matches in one spot, but another spot
Oh,
doesn't,
I
You're
see.
gonna see
it
it.
just stands out too much.
Gotcha.
So this is the color that I like. So I just added more of the clear to make it lighter, and then I'm gonna go with this.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because you want it, like I say, light as possible, and this is supposed to be super tight, so it should work out all right.
Oh,
You see how this is a gallon?
Yes.
Mainly this whole thing is for this. So that's kind of your ratio.
You
But
don't need a lot.
it's literally like a bean. We're all Mexican here. That's
like
about a
dime.
bean, you know?
Dime.
Pinto bean a little bit bigger, you know, like
Okay,
that.
okay. Yeah. That's a lot of harder. Crema.
Cremita.
Crema.
So
Cool.
this dries very quickly. You got about like 20 minutes tops. Okay? 20 minutos más o menos para trabajarlo. So if you think that you're gonna need more than 20 minutes, do less. Now you got like 25. it does dry really quick. So
Question.
Yes.
If you just had part A sitting there for a minute and you had to step away, is that okay?
yeah,
Just
part
leave it
A
on
won't,
its own?
won't dry
Okay.
by itself. Like you can leave it on the sun for like 2 days.
Oh,
It's still
okay.
pliable. It won't dry by
Until
itself.
you hit it with the hardener is when the timer starts.
So esto solo no se seca. So si tienes el color y va a ser una cocina grande and you have the color, just save it and then just grab as you need. Puede ser mucho y nada más agarrar poquito.
Lo que vayas utilizando.
Ujú. Ya con si tienes el color todo bien.
I understand, yeah.
All right. So this you mix
Nice. I like how you use the
in a
edge.
circular motion. What you want is to get all the A to mix, because if you just leave a little bit of A on the side and you try to use that, it will never set. It won't harden.
Homie did that for his car.
But that sucks to be fucking pliable. So mix it for like about, I want to say max a minute. All right, I mixed it. So now we set it. This is just a sample. So I just want to show you how quickly it dries, and you'll feel it. It's a chemical reaction, so you'll feel it getting hot.
¿No lo vas a prensar?
No,
Okay.
es nomás pa muestra. Okay.
Nice. Alright.
So look, it looks all right. Like say if this was a seam, it'd be pretty good. Like you polish it, you won't even notice it because it's light. If it was darker, you might distinguish more. So I don't have a timer, but I want to say that's like what, 5 minutes. And once you start seeing it get kind of like cottage cheesy, that means it's setting up. Once it hits that stage, like once it starts setting, just leave it and then deal with it later, because you'll do more harm than
Should
good.
have set a timer. It does take a long time to set, actually.
Yeah, it's because it's cold. Also, the temperature does mess with it. Like if it's hot, it'll set faster, obviously.
Kind of like thin set, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This, obviously we're using it to laminate or put pieces together. What else could you use this for? Like this?
Just granite.
Oh, okay.
You can't really use it. I
Yeah.
mean, on tile you can maybe. Like if you need, like it broke and you need to fix 2 tiles, you could. What I don't know is how this withstands with water. Like if you were to use this in a shower, I don't know the long-term effects.
Okay.
If you look at más
A little
amarillo
bit, yeah.
than how I made it,
Oh.
you know why?
Hardener? Try some, huh?
It's because I put too much hardener. If you put a lot of hardener, it'll also make it more yellow.
It'll discolor it.
Because then the ratio is kind of off. So it doesn't dry its natural, and you kind of
I
force
didn't even
it,
think about that.
and it changes the color a little bit.
And clean.
Yeah, more or less. But this has to be cleaned before. Like you need to clean with acetone. Like you see this pencil mark?
No,
If you
that's
leave
right.
that and then you
Oh.
cover it with resin, the
You're
pencil
gonna
mark
lock
will
it.
still show. Tiene que estar limpio, porque si dejas lápiz, marcas de lápiz, se queda ahí y ya no se quita.
Okay.
So, muy importante es que lo limpies con acetona. esta y esta antes. So ya que tienes el resin,
No, es rápido.
lo pegas, le das para atrás y para adelante, nomás para que se rellene. So you move it back and forth after the resin's there, and then you clamp it. When you clamp it, cuando lo clampeas,
Right now he's making this.
you do the edges first, las esquinas primero, and then en medio de las dos esquinas pones otro en medio,
Right in the middle.
¿ok? Y luego después de estas dos pones otro en medio, dependiendo la distancia.
The more the better.
Depending on the distance, you always put it in between.
Oh.
Because if you start at one corner and keep going without this being tied down, it might break. So you do the edges first, the middle,
Work your
then the
way in.
middle of that, then the middle of that.
That makes sense.
So it kind of presses all together.
¿Qué tan distante puede ser esos dos?
En cuanto quepa, como esta es that's it. No puedes ya no meter una, because ya no da vuelta. So esta distancia should be the minimum.
Like 4 to 6 inches?
Yeah. And cuando lo pegas, if you feel this, esta está mejor si está más salido que metido. ¿Ok? Porque si está metido, para pulir esta, tienes que llegar a este grosor. You know what I mean? It's better to be pre-treated out than to be in. Because when you polish, if this is in, you have to grind this whole section to get to this
Level.
depth.
And that will screw up with your layout.
Yes. So if this is pre-treating out, all you got to do is just
That-
grind this
Take
down
that
to
down.
this thing.
Right.
So
How much do you give yourself?
no, I would like to do it flush, but
Oh.
if you
Try to do flush.
try to do
Oh, I
flush,
see.
but if you
So don't
can,
have
But
if you
if you
can't,
can't.
it'd be better out than
to
in.
edit.
Right.
One is to be flush.
That's your goal.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
You can't go all the way to the edge with your X's if this is a corner, because you need to polish this side. You know what I'm saying? So when you polish this, you're gonna see
The break.
the break. So luckily this one
Yep.
should go like this. Oh, no, here's this one. So I left it the same, a half an inch, or a quarter, whatever.
Right, right.
But just so I have this corner to polish. You know what I mean?
No problems.
¿Entendiste? ¿Qué dije?
Finish corner para que no quede las
Because-
marquitas.
Sí. Porque esta es la máquina. That's what you're gonna polish.